Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cozy fall drink. I'm going to be making a pumpkin spice latte, and I'm going to be using all these great ingredients to create my own cozy autumn vibes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a pumpkin spice latte recipe that is not only delicious, but it's good for you and it's low in calories. So instead of stopping by and getting one of those pumpkin spice lattes at the drive-thru that's loaded with calories, you can whip this one up at home in about 5 minutes and take it on the road with you, or just sip it at home and enjoy a hot drink of the season. So it's very, very easy. You heat up the pumpkin mixture in the microwave and you mix it with either a 1/4 cup of espresso coffee or a 1/4 cup of regular coffee. So whatever kind of coffee you have at home, you can do this recipe. So I'm going to show you what I have for ingredients, and then we'll get it whipped up and give it a taste. I am going to use some whipped cream on this because I just have to have some whipped cream, but it's not going to add a lot of calories to it. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to mix 1 cup of milk, and I'm using almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is only 30 calories for 1 cup. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. And then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm just going to whisk this all together and get it mixed together really well. And then I'm going to put some cling wrap onto the bowl to cover it up because it's going in the microwave. And then I'm just going to give it a little slit in the top. And I'm going to put this in the microwave. And we're going to heat this up for 1 minute and 45 seconds. And while that is heating up, I'm going to make my espresso coffee, and I'm just going to be using my Nespresso machine, and this is a double espresso coffee pod that I'm using, and I'm just going to brew my coffee, and I need 1/4 cup of espresso. So yeah, I'm just going to brew this coffee, and then we will get to making the pumpkin spice latte. All right, so we have our 1/4 cup of brewed espresso. So I'm just going to remove the cling wrap now, and you can use a whisk to whip and froth up the pumpkin mixture, but I'm going to use my little frother here that I picked up from Amazon this fall, and I'm just going to froth my pumpkin mixture. All right, so I'm just going to pour in the coffee. And then the pumpkin mixture, this whole thing goes in there. You can see that it's nice and steamy, and I'm going to put a little bit of whipped cream on there. A little dollop. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice on top. And I'll give you a look at that. It looks really good. And now we're gonna give it a taste. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give this a try. It looks delicious. It's a rainy fall day. It's a perfect day for something hot and spicy for the fall season. I'm gonna be heading out, and so I'm gonna be taking this on the road with me. Let's give it a taste and see how it came out. This is delicious. I love this. This is an excellent, excellent pumpkin spice latte. There's nothing artificial tasting about it. It's not overly sweet. The pumpkin is not overbearing at all. It's low calorie. My unsweetened vanilla almond milk is only 30 calories per cup. The pumpkin isn't going to add a lot of calories. There's 1 tablespoon of sugar. The rest is vanilla and pumpkin pie spice. So this is a guilt-free pumpkin spice latte. So I hope that you will let me know if you give this a try. I'm going to have the recipe over on my blog. So if you want to try to make it yourself, then go check that out. It'll be linked below. So I hope that you're enjoying your fall season. I know I am. I'm trying to do all the fall feels things out there, like going to the apple orchard or going to a fair, an outdoor fair or an outdoor flea market. We were supposed to go to an outdoor vintage fair today, but it's raining, and you know what? I'm not gonna go walk around in the rain. I was supposed to bring my dad. I'm not taking him out in the rain. Julie was supposed to come with Alec and the baby, but you know what? We chalk it up to, you know what, it's a rainy fall day. So I'm just gonna take a ride down and have lunch with my dad, and I have this delicious pumpkin spice latte for the ride. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for checking in and tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Happy fall. Bye for now. So good.